Hello, today we're going to change out the turn signal and daytime running light assembly on a 2000 to 2006 Tahoe Chevrolet, one each. This is a 2003, so here we go. First we'll take the headlights out. It's pretty simple. You flip these little rods out of their locks, pick them up. Your headlight is now loose. Wiggle it out gently. We're gonna set it up here without assistance, looks like. Oh, we got some assistance. Okay, we got that out of the way. Okay, we got the light out of the way, and you can see how to change a light bulb, a headlight bulb if you needed to. Ours are good, so we're gonna put it back in. Now we're gonna light up down here so we can see how to get this out. It's got a little plastic clip right down there, and then it just, the other side just pushes into a slot. And we're gonna pop that out real quick here. We'll show you how that goes. I'm gonna reach in here and push this tab with a screwdriver. And I just showed you, this thing pops right out. It's got a, lower the camera a little bit so we can see it. It's got a daytime running light. Just, turn there, and the turn signal. Turn there, and the side marker light, which looks like it's out. And you can see that this end just pops in the little slot in there, and this snaps into the core support. We're replacing this because they're full of moss. The other one's leaking real bad, and I got two new ones on eBay for $12 a piece delivered to the house. $24 including shipping. So we're gonna put those in here in just a second. Okay, we have our new unit here. $12 including shipping to the house. Just pop those in, they snap in place clockwise. And the little one over here, I put a new bulb in the little one because it was looking questionable. Okay, now all we do is, it's drifting off. See that slot back in there? That's where that leg of this new lens is going to go in. So we're going to stick that in the leg, and then this just pushes and snap in, and voila, we have a brand new turn signal installed. Wasn't that easy. Now we're going to put the rest of it back together. We're going to take this headlight housing and put the headlight back in. Don't touch that with a bare hand. Now it's got a rubber seal. That'll be working good. And that fits right down in there. Maybe we can sturdy this a little. Just back it up. It falls in and locks in place. We haven't got it. Okay, we got our little headlight bulb in. This just slides in, and we put our pins back in. They're the same for both sides. slide them down in, catch the headlight, and we'll slide this one in, and then snap them in place. And we'll show those a little more close up, where you can see them, how they go together. Just snap in there, your headlight's back in, your turn signal's done, and let's see if it works. Where's the key? Okay, as we can see, our left turn signal is looking really good on our brand new unit.